Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Check if Java is already installed by running the following command. If Java is installed, you'll see the version. If not, proceed to the next step. Now let's install the OpenJDK. You can install it by running the following command. To install a default version, replace the number with the desired version number. After the installation, confirm the installed Java version by running the following command. If multiplied Java version are installed, you can set the default version using the next command. Now, run a simple Java program to ensure everything works. Run the next query of commands. After the last command, this should print Hello World to the terminal. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.